Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am filming a garden tour, an update garden tour for you guys. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then leave me a comment of what you liked the most in my little garden. So let's go ahead and start. So right here I wanted to show you guys this flower bed. Because in the other garden tour I didn't show you guys this flower bed really good. This one mostly has perennials. I didn't add any annuals this year because I knew that I wanted to get the drip irrigation on this area, so this is why it doesn't have any annuals. But I have hostas, and I think I want to buy more hostas to make like a border, like a really nice hosta border, but I'm still not sure if I want to do that or not. And then I have some hydrangeas. These are the Invincible Spirit 2 hydrangeas, and I bought them from quart size and they were so tiny, and this is how much they grown this year. That one we stepped on, and yeah, that's why it's so little. And then right here I have a begonia, like a peachy begonia with some caladium. Sorry, that light is kind of hidden right now. And then right here I have a pinky winky, oh, I almost fell, a pinky winky hydrangea. So pretty, so pretty. And then like I said, these ones are the Invincible Spirit, and then some of them already turned green. All these two already turned green. So I basically have a little border of hostas, and then another border in the back of Invincible. Oh, I'm hitting the branches of the tree. So yeah, and then Carlos said that he's gonna get rid of this big branch, so they're gonna have more sun next year. And then I have another hydrangea. That's a mophead hydrangea, but I think is the kind that blooms in all wood. I mean, they're all of the mophead hydrangeas bloom on all wood, but I don't think this one is a reblooming one, so that's why it doesn't have any blooms. So I have a liriope grass, and I absolutely love this grass because of these little flowers. They are so pretty. I think they look so pretty, those little flowers. And then I have another hosta over here, and then a limelight hydrangea. And look how beautiful and exotic this area looks. So right here on this circle flower bed I have lemon coral sedum, and then some of the double up red begonias from Proven Winners that are looking beautiful, and then a Prince Tut papyrus grass. And let me tell you that this combo looks so nice. I think I'm gonna repeat it next year, maybe with a pink begonia instead, or a white one, or both, or all of them. Because I planted a few I forget what they're called, but I planted other plants in the middle and they didn't do good, so I pop them out. And then over here we have my beautiful giant elephant ears. They're almost as tall as me. They need a little bit more. Then there's the other one, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I planted these ones in a video, and I started them from tubers actually. And then right here, or yeah, tubers or bulbs, whatever you want to call it. And then hostas and impatiens, a whole drift of impatiens and a whole drift of caladiums, and it just looks so beautiful. There's different kinds of caladiums over here. I don't know the names because I ordered a specific one, and it should have been white, like all white with pink veining, kind of like this, but instead of green it would have been pink, white, and they didn't send me those. They sent me this one, so I don't know what these ones are called. But it looks beautiful. I think the white would have looked better because it would have been more dimension, but it still looks beautiful. I love it. I love how it looks. And then right here in the middle I have a hydrangea, but that one past its prime. But see how the white ones look with on contrast with the impatiens and the elephant ears? It looks so much better. But I'm still happy about it. I'm still happy with this area. It looks very tropical, exotic and tropical, and I love it. I love how it looks. And even though it's not what I had envisioned, it's very beautiful. Look at that. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. I love them. These are the Caroline Wharton caladiums. And they are so beautiful, and they're big. They're big caladiums. Look at that. They're huge. And then right here I have a rose. It doesn't have any blooms right now, but it has a lot of buds. A lot of beautiful buds everywhere. This is a Rosa Sharon. That was the blue chiffon double Rosa Sharon. And then right there is my little basket on the trunk with the creeping Jenny, and it looks so beautiful. And it has a few caladiums as well. But yeah, I'm obsessed with the Caroline Wharton caladiums. They're so beautiful. I will 100% try to save them. And then this is a really deep flower bed. This is just a giant flower bed all throughout the garden. It never stops. It goes on and on till over there, and it stops there. But it's like hugging this whole side of my garden. Backyard, I mean. So right here I have a whole bunch of different things. I have lilies, cornflowers, rudbeckia, and hydrangeas. A whole bunch of different things. It looks very wild, but I like it. I like it. And I think I'm gonna add some liatris there for next year as well. Look at that. How beautiful is that? The elephant ears with the coleus. This is the Color Blaze coleus from Proven Winners, and it's so pretty. Look at it. Oh, I love it with the elephant ears. It looks beautiful, so beautiful. And then right here I have another coleus. This one is from Better Homes and Gardens, and I love how it looks with my little hearts that Carlos made. It looks so beautiful. A little rose. It doesn't have any flowers, and I need to come and deadhead as well. Right here we have this first swoop of this side, and on this swoop I have, oh my gosh, can you guys hear the cicadas? They're going nuts right now. So on this little swoop I have elephant ears, a border of impatiens. I have the regular impatiens and the double up impatiens from Proven Winners as well. They're so beautiful, but they don't do too well in the ground. So if you guys want to buy the double impatiens from Proven Winners, buy them, but just for containers, because this is only 2 plants right there. And right here I have, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants, and you guys can see the difference. But yeah, they do so much better in containers. Look how big. And like I said, it's only 2 plants, and they look so nice. So nice in containers. With the creeping Jenny, it looks like a jellyfish, doesn't it? Look at it. It's so beautiful. And then that's the fishnet stockings coleus from Proven Winners. And I love how this area has turned out. It looks very beautiful. And then over here I have a boxwood right there. I want those boxwoods to get huge and kind of divide the swoops, and I want them to be huge and like turn them into spheres. So right here I have another border with annuals, and I have the lemon coral sedum, and then the double up begonias that are pink. I bought all of them. I bought the red one, the pink ones, and the white ones, and I put in different areas of the garden. But yeah, look at that one. That one is so pretty. And then David Austin rose, and this is a butterfly bush, and it smells so good. But if you guys can tell, it's past its prime. It was full of buds, but it's done. And then another double impatient from Proven Winners, and this is the double red, and look at it. It's so beautiful. They do so much better in containers. I wouldn't suggest you guys to put them in the ground because it didn't work out for me. The regular ones do so much better in the ground than the double ups. So yeah. And that's only two plants as well. And then look at that, so beautiful. And I ended up buying more caladiums and adding them to this area because these white ones didn't do too well in this area. So I went and I bought these ones, and they look so pretty. Those are so pretty. So right here I have a hydrangea. This is the strawberry sundae hydrangea, and it was so pretty. It was like really dark red or pink. It was a different kind of shade of pink. It was more dark than it was, yeah, but it looked like a strawberry. It was really pretty. And now it's past and it's all green now, but it's so beautiful. I have a little pot with succulents in here. I had them inside my house and they were not doing too hot, so I brought them out, and they're doing so much better out here than inside the house. Another boxwood that I also want this one to be like a sphere. Like I said, I want the boxwoods to like grow up and be like big beautiful spheres that will define the little swoops, if that makes sense. And then right here, this side gets more sun, and look how much they have grown in with more sun. Impatiens like sun, like they like a little bit of maybe like 4 hours of morning sun and then afternoon shade, and they do so much better that way. And then on this area, like I said, I have the same ones that in the other side, but look, I just love this double up impatiens. Even though they didn't do too well in the ground, they're still beautiful. Look at it, so beautiful. And I also have some snapdragons over here, but like I said, this area doesn't get a lot of sun, only morning sun, so they're not doing too hot. I love how rosebuds look. They look so pretty. And then there's my neighbor has a rose of Sharon on their side, and it looks so beautiful. Another of the strawberry sundae hydrangeas. It's also past it's not past the bloom time, it's just it doesn't have any color anymore. It's all green now. Another beautiful basket with the same double impatiens from Proven Winners. So beautiful. I love it. I love how it looks. I hate the fence, not gonna lie, but I really love how the flower beds have turned out. They have turned out really pretty and everything looks so nice. I just love it. So right here we have another David Austin rose, and you guys can tell it's past. It already bloomed again. This one is taller than me. Look at that one. Beautiful buds. Then right here is Carlito's little circle garden that it's past its prime as well. So I came and did a little bit of a cleanup and cut back a little bit of the alyssum as well. Cut back her roses, cut back the liatris. This one still look good, so I left those. And look at her little house, looks so pretty. And then we have our little turtle family right there, super beautiful. And then another lemon coral sedum, that one is huge. Right here are the gate hay racks, and look how beautiful they really turn out how I was envisioning them. They look so beautiful, so beautiful, super beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. Oops, I hit the other side of the gate. Right here, it's another one. Yep, I'm not gonna show you guys behind me because we have a mess. We're in the middle of a project in the driveway, so I don't want to show you guys because it's a mess. And then right here we have some Autumn Joy sedum on this flower bed. Very beautiful Autumn Joy. It has its green color right now, and you can kind of tell that it's turning pink. So that's gonna be in full bloom soon. I have some zinnias over here behind the Autumn Joy. These ones haven't flapped over because the Autumn Joy is kind of holding them up. I had a little planter over here, but somebody told me that it wasn't a good idea to have something so close to the to this. So I went ahead and removed it, but that's how that looks. Over here I left my pruners outside. I need to put them in the shed. So right here I have my little cut flower area, and on this area it doesn't look the best anymore because I planted stuff way too close. But like I said, it's a learning experience and I won't do it again. I think this year I learned so much about plants because I'm not like a pro plant person. A pro gardener. So, and I love, you know, learning. I love learning new things every year. But right here I have I forget what these ones are, verbena. A red verbena from Proven Winners. Some Supertunia Bordeaux. And another Prince Tut over here. I know one thing. I fell in love with the Prince Tut. It is so beautiful. It is such a good plant and it looks so beautiful. I think next year, if I can find it in the stores, I will buy more of this. As well as Gomphrena. I will buy a lot of Gomphrena. At least I think I can cover this whole length with 10 Gomphrena plants. I think so. And then I'll add I'm talking about next year. I need to stop. Anyways, I have these Gomphrenas over here. And then I have sunflowers. Those are the Proven Winner sunflowers. And then I will harvest this, I forget what they're called. Oh my gosh. I forgot. Whatever. You guys know what they're called. But yeah, I will be coming soon and just harvest all of those. Celosia, I remember celosia, and harvest them for bouquets. And then I have a red one as well. It is so beautiful. And then look at my straw flowers. They are closed right now because it's kind of cool outside, but they're so pretty. They're so pretty. So right here is where the sunflower was, and it fell over. So I went ahead and just pull everything out. I have a dahlia right here, and then zinnias look horrible. But right here is my dahlias. I already showed you guys my dahlias, so I don't want to stay here too long on this area, but they're beautiful. That's the dark monarch dahlia, and it's so beautiful. Look at that one. Oh, so beautiful. These yellow ones, these little yellow ones are so beautiful as well. And then my favorite one, I think, are the orange one. Orange. That one over there, and then this one. So beautiful. And then I have some white ones as well. And then there's this one. That one is so pretty and so tiny. And then I have, you guys remember how tiny and ugly this little purple fountain grass was? I thought it was dead for sure, and look how much it has grown. The petunias that died because I didn't come and water them. That was my fault. But next year I'll put all my containers in under drip irrigation so I don't kill them. But look, it's so beautiful. So beautiful, and very drought tolerant because it didn't die with the petunias. So right here we have my little Sambo zinnias. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at those things. Sorry, my nails are gross. I've been touching plants, so they're gross. But look at it. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm so sad that I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna pull them out because I'm gonna plant my my hydrangeas that I bought on this area right here, because I want to have like a wall of hydrangeas that covers my neighbor's backyard. And then right there are the snapdragons. Like I said, they could look better if I came and gave them maintenance and cut all of the spent blooms, but like I said, I'm gonna pull them out to plant my beautiful firelight hydrangeas. And then right here I have another container with the double impatiens. Like I said, they do so much better in containers. I don't know if they like the potting mix better than the garden soil. That's probably what it is, because look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And this one has two kinds. It has the purple ones and the pink ones. So beautiful. And I have some euphoria and some polka dot plant as well. And then there's a one of those in there. I love this area right here. It's so pretty. I wish I would have done some elephant ears as well. But it looks so beautiful. I just love how it looks. The surefire begonias are so beautiful. I'm 100% sure that I will buy more of these next year. Probably gonna buy more of those than any other shade annual, because they're so beautiful. And they did so good in the ground as well. They did really good in the ground. Even though I haven't fertilized them, they look super beautiful. Then I have another hydrangea over here. Very beautiful hydrangea. And this one is gonna attract more pollinators than the limelights, because it has these little flowers. And right here we have the shed area. That's how it looks. It looks so beautiful. I went ahead and popped the petunias out as well, because I'm gonna put a lot of tulips or daffodils on this area, and like it's almost time to buy them. I already ordered 500 tulips, so if you guys want to plant tulips with me, go ahead and order them. I'm super excited about them. Like I said, I ordered 500, but they're only purple. That's the only color I bought. Look at my alliums. Oh, they're so beautiful. I can't wait to buy more of those. I need to go to the store and see if I can find more. But like I said, my limelights look so beautiful. They're so green. I don't know, but this green is so beautiful to me. It's such a beautiful green color. And then since I popped the petunias out, I went ahead and bumped the my containers up a little bit. And I have a geranium on this one with some of the evolvulus. These ones haven't done a lot of growth because they were in the back and they weren't getting enough sun. Oh my gosh, the cicadas are so loud. And then I have the same things on this side. The evolvulus on this side looks much better than the other one, but I went ahead and cut the you guys can see how I throw the geranium blooms in the floor. There's another one over here. They're very beautiful. I do want to say that I fell in love with geraniums. They're so beautiful. I do want to get the kind next year that smell, because these ones don't have any smell at all. And I want some fragrant ones. This is my hardy hibiscus. It's past its prime, but it was so beautiful when it was in full bloom. It had so many blooms. It was so beautiful with the limelight on the side. It was so beautiful. That's all I can say. It was so beautiful. And this is how this looks. It looks pretty good. I like it. I like it. And right here, we're coming to the end. We still have to do this patio that's gonna be gravel, but I don't know when we're gonna do it. I'm not in a rush to do it. Oh, look how beautiful this area looks. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I love shade plants. They're so beautiful. But yeah, you guys can see the difference with the lemon coral sedum, how it looks in the shade. It's not as dense as in the full sun. See, I have some impatiens, more of the begonias, and beautiful elephant ears. I I love elephant ears, and I will try to save all of my elephant ears that I have in the garden this year, because the jumbo ones, they didn't grow as much as I thought. I mean, they're a little bit shorter than me, but the ones that I bought for $5 are kind of that same size. So I think for next year, I don't think I'll be buying the jumbo ones anymore, because these ones look beautiful and they're kind of what I wanted to see. So and then some more of the heuchera, very beautiful. And I have some caladiums growing over here. I didn't plant any caladiums on the side, but they're growing right there. That's kind of weird, but yeah, I love them. I love how it looks. And then we have this planter, or raised bed, whatever you want to call it. It is doing okay. It looks beautiful. I love this plant. This one is my favorite, and I think I might buy more of these and then put them over there. I think that would be a really good idea, because the contrast of the leaves it's really good with the hostas, or maybe some heucheras. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but this is how this part looks. So yeah, we already went around the garden. So I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys like how everything is looking as much as I do. The grass did die a little bit over there, and I don't know why that happened, because right here it looks fine, and this area is more in the shade, and this grass should be it's for full sun. So I don't know what the deal was. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video, and see you till next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.